Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to convert Figma design to Shopify theme. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to convert your Figma design to your Shopify theme, what we need to do is we need to actually install an app for this one, which includes going to your Shopify admin page here and accessing settings. So at the bottom left here, let's go and click on settings. And from here, look for apps and sales channel and click on the Shopify app store at the top right. Now, we just need to include the Figma keyword here. So go to search here, just type in Figma, press and enter, and you should be able to see different apps in here. So what we are going to look for is going to be the instant section and page builder. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, with this app, you actually have the option to basically convert your Figma designs. So according to their descriptions, they actually have a free Figma to Shopify plugin. We just need to copy any frame in Figma and paste it into Instant. So in this case, for you to start using this one, you can go and click on install. And from here, let's go ahead and just proceed with the installation. Let's go and click on the install button again. And from here, that should install the actual app. Now from here, we just need to log in. You could go and continue with your Google account, or if you already have an account, manual, you could go ahead and enter it manually here. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, that should actually redirect us into Instant. Now, it's going to ask you a few questions here, but you can skip this one. So once you've actually done this, let's go and click on create a project first. And from here, let's go ahead and maybe choose a option here. Let's just click on start empty. Now connect, we need to do is you just need to click on connect with Shopify, and from here that should connect our two accounts here in Instant and our store here in Shopify and Instant web page. Now in this case, what you need to do is we need to go to our dashboard. So at the top left, go ahead and click on the two lines here. Click on go to dashboard, and from here at the top of the overview section here, click on Figma to Shopify. And from here, you just need to follow the following steps here for you to actually convert your Figma. So this involves installing the plugin. So you could go and click on get the free plugin here, and it should redirect you to Figma. And once you've signed in, you can go and click on open in. And from here, you want to choose the file here. So for example, this one, go and choose it, and that should open up the file itself. Now in this case, you could go and just click on run here, and that should initiate the process of converting your Figma design into Shopify, and that's about it. So this should also show you a couple of things here that you need to remember, and as well as simple steps on how to do this. But in this case, that's it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.